video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Yu Yuing, a former teammate of table tennis star Wang Monyu, has found her own path beyond professional sports. A graduate of the prestigious Harbin Institute of Technology, Yu now works in the banking sector while staying connected to the game she loves. Despite her busy career, she continues to play table tennis for joy, saying, "I am happy as long as I play table tennis." Her story reflects a balanced life where passion and profession coexist harmoniously.
My provincial teammate, the most famous is definitely Wang Monyu. Monyu is very hardworking. I attended Harbin Institute of Technology, International Trade. Now I work in a bank. The banking industry is quite competitive. As long as I play table tennis, I feel very happy. Hello, my name is Lu Yueying. I started playing table tennis at age 6. Then I joined the provincial team at age 11. I'm a right-handed shakehand player. My backhand is my strength. And I have pretty good touch. My ball control is relatively delicate.
特长就是我还是以前就是相识比较好，因为女生嘛，一般都是反手跟这个相识球比较稳定一些，然后双打其实我双打还行，对，但是最近练的比较少，所以手比较生，对，以后可能还会多练一练，然后多参加一些咱们这种比赛。打专业的时候是在黑龙江省队，队友，比较著名的肯定是王曼玉。对，我们因为队里经常会打那个队内的大循环比赛，然后所以我们分几个组嘛，然后我们那个时候都在一组，所以接触比较多。然后曼玉是非常能吃苦，非常能吃苦，然后每天的训练时长都要比我们长很多。就是已经训练结束了，然后她自己还会再加时加点的去练，而且是主动的，对。我是11年退役的，对，省队退役之后，然后就上大学了，上的哈工大，就在哈尔滨嘛，因为老家就哈尔滨，学的经济系国际贸易，因为当时的国家那个一级运动员是免试的，对，是属于高水平。本科之后，然后就校招招上了，所以就出来工作了。现在银行，是属于算是营销岗位吧，压力比较大吧，所以说可能还是想以后多从事乒乓球这块的工作。银行其实不像前几年那么稳定了，银行也是比较卷，也很卷，对，所以压力比较大。用的是斯迪卡玫瑰七，斯迪卡玫瑰七，一直用这个呢，现在感觉还是挺好用的，这个底板用了得有4、5年了吧。我觉得比较就是它不太挑人，就是男生女生都可以用，然后出球速度比较快，打球的时候感觉出球的感觉还是不错的，然后也能吃住球。很多底板可能女生打会比较硬吧，然后吃不住球，然后这块板还是比较友好的。可能每个阶段都带来了不同的这个好处吧，因为从小的时候呢，它可能磨练了我们的意志品质，对，然后也养成了不骄不躁，然后遇到问题呢，遇到困难呢，积极主动的去解决。上了大学之后呢，也代表我们那个学校，然后参加过很多这个出国，然后包括全国大学生锦标赛，对，然后也获得了一些成绩，还有就是工作了之后呢，可能还是比较踏实吧，对，做事比较踏实，然后也可以用乒乓球这个运动，然后去结交很多朋友跟球友，然后也扩大了很多社交圈。漂亮！
Playing table tennis just makes me happy. I think it's very healthy. Unlike basketball or soccer, with physical collisions of injury to the body. As long as your technique is stable, it's not affected by age.
多大年龄我们都可以去打乒乓球。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.